This is just a quick demo of some of the fun things you can do with PyDPainter. You can see I made a big brush there. Then you can cycle colors through a range in the palette. And then you hit the tab key and they start moving. That used to be one of the fun things that I do with Deluxe Paint back in the day. Then you can turn on symmetry and paint again. It looks almost psychedelic here, and especially when you change to some other colors and another range. These are just the default ranges that are built into PyDPainter when it first starts up, but you can define your own in the palette requester. But one of the other fun things you can do is load some of the old Amiga pictures that were out there. Of course, the famous King Tut, and you can start. You can grab an eye as a brush and you can stamp it down, draw with it. You can also manipulate the brush. You can change the size, or you can flip it, rotate it. I'm going to rotate it here, and then you can stamp it down again like that. And that's some of the things you can do with brushes. And one of my most favorite pictures was this gorilla, I think because of the shading. It was all drawn by hand with pixel by pixel. Let's see here. Oh, Venus. That's a suitably cropped image of Venus done by Avril Harrington back on the Amiga in the day. So you can choose a number of colors and things there. I just showed that briefly. Now some of the other things you can do gradient ranges. So when you draw a circle, it can fill it with a gradient. Makes it almost look like light shining on it. You can change the dithering, so instead of being random, it's ordered dithering. This symmetry mode also works, and you can draw your filled circles using symmetry. And also polygons. And as you see, it rotates them. And then I turned off symmetry there, and you can just draw polygons and it shades them. You can also zoom in, and you use the mouse wheel to zoom in and out like that once you have the magnifying tool open. And you can see the tooltips that pop up. So the fill tool there can tell you what the mouse buttons do, and if you right click on it, what happens. And those tools, like the rectangle tool, it's split in half there. The lower right and upper left are filled or just a line. That's the short tour.